Deep cleaning on Dareu EK87 Glory Arctic white mechanical keyboard. Thank you to Sir Angelo for trusting PTT IT Solutions. This is just a regular cleaning routine to make the old keyboard look like new again. Dareu is a reputable brand in the mechanical keyboard market, known for offering products that provide good value for money. Their keyboards are generally well built, featuring solid materials like aluminum or high-quality plastic. Dareu provides a variety of mechanical switches, including their own branded switches and popular options like Cherry MX or Kale switches catering to different typing and gaming preferences. The design and aesthetics of Dareu keyboards are appealing, often featuring customizable RGB lighting, which makes them attractive to gamers and enthusiasts. One of Gary's standout features is affordability, offering a range of mechanical keyboards at competitive prices, making them accessible to budget-conscious buyers. Deep cleaning a mechanical keyboard is important for maintaining its performance and longevity. Over time, dust, debris, and spills can accumulate under the keycaps and within the switches, affecting the keyboard's responsiveness and causing keys to stick or malfunction. Regular deep cleaning helps to prevent these issues, ensuring that the keys continue to function smoothly. Additionally, a clean keyboard provides a more hygienic and pleasant typing experience, reducing the buildup of germs and dirt. By taking the time to deep clean your mechanical keyboard, you can extend its lifespan and maintain optimal performance. Mechanical keyboards are known for their durability and superior typing experience, but neglecting their maintenance can diminish these benefits. Dust and grime can interfere with the mechanical switches, reducing their tactile feedback and causing inconsistent key presses. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.